Hi, another day, another surgery. First, I'd like to congratulate Moog Lodge number 89 for a very successful golf tournament. It was held at Villamor Air Base. No? I'd like to congratulate our worshipful master, Chris Del Rosario, our senior warden, Celso Pong Agustin, and our junior warden, Ernesto John Cruz. No? Congratulations po. Very successful ang aming event. By the way, our senior warden, Celso Pong Agustin, and junior warden, Ernesto John Cruz, are both Andrians, no? Fellow Andrians po. No? Sila po yung mga alumni na St. Andrews School. Kaya po, parehong pogi. So, tatlo kaming pogi. So, our case for today is revision Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. No? Revision because the patient had silicone rhinoplasty before. So, naka-silicone po siya. So, she wants a more projected tip. No, actually, I did her nose before, no, yung silicone. Alam po ninyo kasi you cannot use the silicone to augment the tip, yung talagang pataasin na ganon, no? Pwede naman, kaso nga lang may risk of extrusion, baka masira yung tip, no? Usually sa tip na bubulok, lumalabas yung implant because of the pressure of the silicone, no? So, I don't do yung talagang mataas na tip for silicone. So, she wants meron siyang special request, no? She wants a Julia Barreto nose. So, the Julia Barreto tip, no? Ito, Barreto, B-tip, hindi V. But we can do the V-tip, no? So, we will change the implant to Gore-Tex. I'm going to lift the tip. I'm going to do the Ayler lift, no? Kasi yung kay Julia, maganda yung columellar show. Ito, nakalabas talaga. So, ganun po yung gagawin natin sa kanya. No? So, hindi ko na gagawin yung Ayler trimming, no? Because masyado nang liliit yung kanyang ilong. No? Pag na-lift po yung kanyang tip, magiging almond shape na po yung kanyang nostrils, yung butas ng ilong. Makikita po ninyo yan after the procedure. So, that's it. Before I close, I'd like to thank yung aking sponsor. May nagbigay po sa akin ng sapatos, yung aking pamangkin, si EJ Leonardo, Elton Leonardo. Elton, maraming salamat, no? Ang ganda, hindi ko kayang bumili nito. Maraming salamat. So, another day, another surgery, another day, another watch. This is a Tissot Heritage Dual Time, no? 20 oras nito, isa sa Manila, tsaka isa sa Cebu. Another day, another surgery. Hi, I'm done with our revision rhinoplasty. So, this is a revision case. So, she had silicone rhinoplasty before. So, we changed it to Gore-Tex. She wants a Julia Barreto nose. No? So, yan po. Inangat po natin yung tip. So, I place a cartilage on the tip. Then I place a septal extension graft para umangat na ganon and lumabas. Yung kay Julia, medyo mahaba yung nose niya, no? And talaga yung columellar show, kitang-kita, no? So, yan, may columellar show po siya. Nag-overhang correction po tayo. I lifted the Ayler or the Ayler lift para makita yung ganito, yung columellar show. So, then I place a Gore-Tex. I remove the capsule, no? Kasi silicone, so may capsule, may bahay. So, I removed it. Then, place the Gore-Tex. Then, I'm planning to place another cartilage dun sa tip sana, no? Pero, hindi na ma-accommodate ng skin. So, we can only do so much, ika nga. No, hindi pwedeng kung ano yung gusto, yun ang ano talaga. So, kung ano lang yung kaya ng tissue. So, na-achieve naman po natin, no? Ganda po ng tip, no? That's the V-tip. The Barreto tip. Yan. Okay, another day, another surgery.